Mark and I wanted to take a cooking class, and we went to this very special place called Seedlings. Seedlings is an organization that is sponsored by the Banyan Tree Group. What it is, it's empower the less fortunate kids in the community to develop a talent that they have passion for. Fame came from a very poor family outside of Thailand, and they have a passion for cooking.
So he said she would like to help her family to work better and make the quality of the life for her family better.
I'm originally from Brazil, and when I went to live in US, it was exactly for the same reason you came to work and study at Seedlings, to help your family. I moved to help my family to have better life. So that's beautiful. So you and I already bond. I totally bonded with her and made the moment so much more special.
Is that okay?
Yes. Okay. So I put my thumb on the top of the knife. Yeah, like this. And then I put it on the fish, and with the pressure of my thumb, I slice. Right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
ประมาณนี้ slice มันจะได้ง่ายต่อการหั่น
And then like you slice the knife.
We did cook Thai food, and we use all the Thai spices and lemongrass and coconut milk and
This is a chili pepper.
peppers and all the flavors and scents. What she really puts into her learning, into her cooking, and into her teaching is passion. Thank you so much, Faith, to helping us to make this beautiful meal. Now I'm gonna eat.
your meal
Thank you.
Thank you. Cup and cup. And that's what travel really is about. It's all the people you meet along the way, and all you can learn from them, and all you can teach them is that giving and sharing that only travel can give it to you.